Hey, it's Greg Luther, and man, I gotta tell you, I am freaking excited. This is an exciting opportunity. You can see I got my hustle shirt on today. Why? Because tomorrow we start our 45-day hustle. I've got a lot of real estate agents that have decided they're going to pay off a whole bunch of their debts, make a whole bunch of money as well. So if you haven't been following here lately, we're doing a 45-day hustle. This is specifically for real estate agents that have a very specific thing they're trying to get taken care of. So maybe they're in a position that they're trying to pay off IRS debts or pay off their cars or go buy a brand new car for cash. Maybe they're trying to pay off any medical debts they have, but they have a very specific topic, a specific bill that they're trying to make a massive dent in or get it paid off completely. So what we're doing, starting tomorrow, we're actually doing a 45-day hustle where I'm going to work with each individual person to show them, look, here's what you got to do. Here's what I want you to do today to generate immediate closings for yourself. So we've got agents that have big goals of $70,000, $90,000, just a huge cash grab over 45 days. That's what I call hustle. So I want you to think about what you would do over the next 45 days starting tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Let me grab my other phone here and see what today's date is. Today's the 23rd. So this starts tomorrow on the 24th. What do you think would happen to your business? What would happen to your mindset, to your excitement for the business if over the next 45 days you could get more business in contract, get it closed, than you've had over the last 6 months? What if you could do more in 6 weeks than you could do in 6 months? Well, let me tell you, it's all about your tactics and strategies, right? It's all about what are you putting together right now to get the freaking phone to ring today. This is not about the illusion of movement in your business. You need more clients. You need people that are motivated and ready to go right now. It doesn't matter if it's buyers or sellers, as long as you're getting yourself some closings. So we're doing that tomorrow. I'm working one-on-one. I don't have other coaches helping or assigning you to people or whatever. I'm calling you from this cell phone tomorrow, and we're spending 45 days every single morning. We're going to spend 30 minutes together to decide, or I should say, you're going to spend 30 minutes on the marketing that we've discussed for that week to decide what do we need to do to get this phone ringing, to get appointments on a consistent basis, multiple appointments every single week. So this thing starts tomorrow. As I discussed yesterday, we did a live training on this in Orlando last week. I recorded it. If you want to see that, it's only about 28 minutes, maybe 29 minutes. If you want to see that recording, I'll email it over to you free of charge. Just send me your email address, private message it to me here, or put it below. But I'll show you that recording. I think you're going to be impressed. Look, I don't care how long you've been selling real estate. You get your hustle going for 45 days. You get new habits in place, and you see how much money you can generate, you're going to be revitalized in this business. And I can promise you that if you make that happen, you've heard before, a habit takes 21 days to develop. Well, we're going twice that long. We're going 45 days with very specific tactics, totally free marketing to get you some closings. If you want to see that recording, it's basically the overview of how it's going to be set up and the pitch on how it works. I'm obviously selling the 45-day hustle, but if you're serious about getting your business rocking, look, if you make 30, 40, 50 grand over the next 45 days, I don't know what you'll make, but as long as you make a huge chunk of money, I think you're going to love the business again. If you're interested in this, like this video right here. You should see the button to like this video right now. Do that. Make sure you're following our page. But if you're interested in watching that quick 30-minute video that we recorded, you'll see me on stage in front of a whole bunch of people. Let me tell you how good this is. There were 59 people in the room. 56 of them signed up for the 45-day hustle. They have very specific goals. I'm paying off both of my cars, and I'm paying cash for a brand new car for my spouse. Or I'm paying off my IRS debt completely. Those are the types of things I want you to be thinking about if you're going to be involved in the 45-day hustle. I'll email it to you. Just private message me here. Send me something to my inbox. Give me your email address, and I'll forward that thing right over to you. You got to watch it today because we start on this thing tomorrow. Let's get you excited about real estate again. Let's get you making some big money. If you're interested, let me know. Otherwise, go out there and sell some houses this week. Do what it takes to generate a lot of revenue for yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.